Hello everybody, welcome to our channel dedicated to graphic design. Let me remind you that here we are working mainly on the creation of logos and brand identity. In the previous episode we created a logo design for a tourist mobile app, and if you are interested you can take a look at this link. In today's video I walk you through the process of creating a logo for a golf club. During the work we will consider the client's brief, and then based on the information we'll create a design starting from rough sketches to the finished presentation. Don't forget to share your opinion about this process in the comments, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, you can do it right now. Well, let's start the process of creating the logo design.
Hi Maxim, our golf course, Saskatoon Golf Country Club, is looking for a new logo. Design should be minimalistic in style, examples are attached. It would be great to portray the Saskatoon berry plant in the logo design. Colors can come in white, green, and yellow or orange. Text can be Saskatoon Golf Country Club or SGCC.
This is a very short message, and of course the information may not be enough. So after talking with the client and asking him additional questions, I got more options. We decided that we would focus on the version with the image of the Saskatoon berry. Beside the golf club is called his name, and also in this place there are a lot of such plants. Based on the brief received from the client, I create this mood board. In my opinion and feelings, I have picked all the materials that will help me form ideas for the future logo design. Let's now start sketching, and for this task I use Photoshop. In my view, this option is best suited to the goals set by the client, and I'll focus on it. Let's switch to Adobe Illustrator, where we'll refine and vectorize the design step by step. Firstly, select the ellipse tool and create a circle with a one-point stroke. Then duplicate it with the Alt-Shift keys, Alt to copy and Shift to copy the circle at the same level from the first one, like this. And right away hold Ctrl D to create another circle with the same steps. Now we need to duplicate these circles. Do it for the top first. Let's enter the outline mode, hotkeys Ctrl Y, for better alignment of circles. And do the same below. Great, now I want to make the stroke thicker, about 70 points. Yeah, that's good. And now we need to expand the strokes by turning them into shapes. Select all the elements, object, expand. We got a certain shapes of berry that looks like a grape. Now we need to make the spacing between the berries. I'm drawing lines through the centers of the circles using the pen tool. For example, red strokes works well. Now remove the unnecessary parts using the Shape Builder tool. Select all the elements and while holding down the Alt, cut them. We've got the side berries and I believe that we are moving in the right direction. The logo mark is ready and now we should select the suitable fonts for it. I use Adobe fonts for this task as the library contains many wonderful fonts. Having picked up several fonts, I decide on Grotesque and I think that it goes well with the symbol. I'm making the Saskatoon in bold and Golf and Country Club as a tagline. Select and create outlines. Let's match the logo mark with the name, put one guideline here and the second one here, then align the name with them. The distance from the symbol to the name will be 1.5x the width of the circle since 2x is too far and x is too close. This is the most optimal solution. It's time to choose a color palette for the created logo design. In his message the client indicated such colors as green and yellow, so I stopped on them, only adjusting the shades. I applied the light green color to the logo mark and the same color for the tagline. For the name I use dark green and one more color option with the background, I make it dark green and for the name the white. Please pay attention that despite the Saskatoon berry is purple, we are using a completely different palette and there is nothing to worry about. Logo design is something abstract and the main goal here is to avoid direct associations. Of course, this is more applicable to icons, but in our case with color it also works. That the client can fully perceive the design that you provide him, it's necessary to create a presentation that showcases your work from the best side. If you want to be a professional, this is very important. In my case, you can see this on the screen. Thank you for watching guys and I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. See you in new episodes and have a great day.